want to make Python actually do something, today we'll learn about operators and expressions, the tools that let Python perform calculations and comparisons. Hi, I'm Williams. Welcome back to the Python series. So far, we've learned variables and data types. Now, let's make Python work like a calculator, and even smarter. Part one. But basically, there's other things going on. And this is a short arithmetic operators. Let us do math in Python. A equals 10, B equals 3, this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division floor, division remainder power, that part two, comparison, operators, and because these compare two values and return true or false. X equals 5, y equals is 10. So print x equal to y, print x not equal to y. Print x greater than y. Print x less than y. Part three, logical operators. These are used for conditions. A equals true, B equals print for and condition, dot print for or condition, print for not conditioned. Well, challenge. Write code that checks if someone's age is between 18 and 30 using comparison and logical operators. In the next video, we'll learn if statements, how to make Python programs, make decisions,